Welcome everyone to my channel, Mask Frames, where I've decided to do kind of a behind the scenes look at my photography work. So we're going to be doing some behind the scenes breakdowns of my photo shoots, what goes into them, and everything like that. So I recently did a series of photo shoots on my college campus, which was kind of cool. I did like an open shoot kind of thing. People could just come in and get their photos taken. And I've been playing around a lot with color in my photos, colorful lighting, different lighting setups, just trying to keep things fresh, keep things new. So for this first photo shoot, I went with a red and blue kind of vibe. So as you can see in the photo, I did a main blue light with a red rim light. And the way I achieved this lighting setup was that I had my model, and then off 45 degrees in front of them, I had my main light with a soft box on it. I believe it's a 26 by 26 Godox softbox. And then for my rim light, I had no modifiers on it. It was just a speed light. So I'll show you guys. This is the Godox 8200 or the Wistro. This is my main strobe. Right now it has the speed light flash head on it because I have gels that fit on here really well. Which is great. You put in a softbox, you get a nice soft light, you can get color with it. It's a really great light. That's my go-to. And I have this speed light, which I used to use as my transmitter, which now I use as a second kind of quick light, like a quick rim light. If I need it for some of my photos, a little pop of color, a little highlight, whatever I need. And to control all that, I use this. This is the Godox X Pro C, which is a great transmitter. Works perfectly with the rest of the Godox system. It's really clear on how you can control all your flashes, but we'll save that for later. I really just want to talk about the kind of the inspiration and what was going on behind the scenes. So like I said, my first kind of lighting setup was just that main light, 45 degrees, hit them with the softbox, and then I have that rim light. So the idea behind that was that my main light creates this nice blue lighting that goes across my model, and the rim light fills in those shadows with red, just to get a nice contrasty look. And I push that further in post by playing with those levels, bring up the contrast, and bring the saturation through on those colors. I don't just turn the saturation up on the whole image, but I'll go around and play with each color. And then I wanted to mix things up. I had him stand up, sit down, kind of just try a bunch of different poses, find what fit with him, and what really came across the best. And as you can also see in the photo, he had a hat on, which I thought would be really interesting to play with shadows. So you can see in certain photos I have the shadow going across the eyes, so just adds a little bit of mystery and plays off of the lighting well, I think. And I also went for another look just with regular light, no gel or anything on my main light, and I kept the red light on the rim light. I wanted to dial that back a little bit more, just to get that focus on just the subject, just playing around with the lighting again, making everything just look clean and nice. Yeah,